evacuation warning for the following counties: Fairfield County in western Connecticut, New Haven County in central Connecticut. The National Emergency Alert Service has issued mass evacuation of New Haven and Fairfield counties. An event of unknown severity has occurred at the Quantum Science Energy Research Facility in